Hey everyone, this is Ur Rehman 7 here. In this video, I'll be teaching you Moxie by Trevor Aguiar. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. Without further ado, let's get down to the tutorial. Okay, start off by holding the deck in a dealer's grip, like so. And with your right hand, you're going to break the deck into a Z grip by placing your middle ring and thumb, like so. And place your right thumb, your right middle, right at the center over here. And you're going to basically break the packet into a Z grip. So this is your middle over here. And you should keep the packets relatively equal sized, or preferably keep the center packet larger than the top and bottom packet, because when you're doing the flourish, the center packet is going to break and you don't want a small thin packet to continue the flourish. Now once you have broken the deck into 3 parts, into Z grip like this, you're going to curl your ring finger underneath your middle and your pinky, and basically you're going to push this packet with your curl fingers as deep as you can into your thumb cut position, like this. So this is the thumb cut position, and once you have pushed this packet into a thumb cut position by curling your fingers, you're going to re-grip this center packet by extending your left thumb. So you're holding it with your left thumb and middle and ring, like this. You can keep the ring for sport. And with your right hand, you're going to basically break the thumb cut packet. So what you're going to do is extend these 4 fingers, and you're going to allow this packet from here to drop on your hand over here by loosening your left thumb grip. And you can see that my tips of my ring and middle fingers pointing out. This is important because you're going to place this packet on top over here. So this is balanced on top like this. So from here, what you're going to do is get into a different angle. To break this packet over here, I use a small trick. The trick is basically contact the top portion of this packet, the packet that's in my left hand, against the jack of diamonds packet, like so. You can see the top end is pinched between my thumb, like so, and you're going to allow the remaining packet to fall on your hand. And I keep this top portion pinched between my thumb and the center packet, like so. So this is the small trick I do to break the packet. Now again from start. Now doing the small trick I do. Now you're in such a grip that your right ring finger is over here, and what you're going to do is contact your left middle at the bottom end over here, and you're going to contact your left thumb at the top over here. Break your right thumb at the top. You're going to break the small packet over here and keep enough room for a center packet. And so you're holding these packets like so. This is your middle, and this is at the bottom of your right ring. Another tip to note that this small portion over here, I'll explain what I mean. I've kept a small spacing over here. This is really important because when the part comes in the flourish, when you twist the packet and you push, so this is closes, this room over here creates it easier for this packet to slide. Otherwise, if you have closed these corners together, it'll just get stuck and the flourish won't look smooth. Now from the start again. breaking the pack, kept the center packet small. Remember to keep that in mind. You keep the center packet relatively larger. Okay. Now breaking the packet with your thumb. Middle. Keep the spacing at the bottom, like I mentioned earlier. See the small spacing? The same at the top. And this is your ring finger. What you're going to do now is you're going to rotate this 5 of clubs packet like this between your thumb, your left thumb, and your right ring finger, like this. When you're rotating it, you're going to clip this packet between your right middle, and ring. So you're now clipping this packet like so between your ring, right ring, and thumb. What you're going to do now is pretty easy now. You're going to push the clip packet against this packet over here, like so. When you're pushing this packet, at the same time this packet over here that's in your right hand is going to be pushed down. So you're in this kind of position now. Allow these packets to close. Now what you're going to do is, it's hard to do in slow motion. I'm losing grip, I'm going to do it again. Now once you have done this part and the packets are closed, what you're going to do now is close these two packets that's in your right hand and your left hand, your Charlotte cut position packet, and you're going to grip this packet, the center packet, in between. So this packet, the corner is over here, in between your thumb and middle and ring, and the opposite corner is over here. You shouldn't like get into this position. This should be like at an angle with the corners, and you're going to push this packet on top for closing.